TaskRabbit Review: Real Earnings and Experience After 30 Days. Hey hustlers, ever wondered if TaskRabbit is still worth it in 2025? I spent 30 days working as a tasker, and today I'm sharing the real earnings, real experience, and what you need to know before jumping in. So TaskRabbit connects people who need help with everyday tasks to freelancers called taskers who get paid to do them, from furniture assembly to cleaning. It's a flexible way to earn cash on your own schedule. Now let's talk money. After 30 days, here's what I found. So new taskers can earn around $500 to $1,000 per month. Mid-tier taskers with solid reviews can hit up to 2,000 to 4,000 per month, and top earners in high-demand cities earn up to $12,000 per month, with some hitting six figures annually. Now, the most profitable gigs in 2025 are furniture assembly, moving help, mounting TV and shelves, handyman services, cleaning and organizing. These tasks get booked fast and pay well. In 30 days, I completed 22 tasks and I earned just over 2,300. Got 5-star reviews and even a few tips. The app's easy to use, and once you get momentum, bookings roll in. So here's the quick rundown. It offers flexible hours, decent pay, it is great for side hustlers, and the platform takes a 15% cut. You need to hassle for reviews early on, which is actually among the cons. Now, the final verdict: if you're looking for a flexible way to earn in 2025, TaskRabbit is still legit. Just be ready to put in the work upfront, and the results will follow.